Chi, you are not man enough. If you allow those people to deceive you, bet me, posterity will strike you.
What are you doing here? I thought we've agreed that you stop coming to my house. I thought we agreed on that. So what are you doing here?
So, after offering you myself, no man has touched me in this village. You still want to go ahead and marry Nwakego, a girl that was raped. Not only raped, she was impregnated by another man. Oga, wake up from your slumber. Wake up and say no to poverty. I am offering myself to you. Take me, use me and do with me whatever you want. Eh?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.